Hello everyone, I am Raghavi. Welcome to FACE. In this video, we are going to know who really is a full stack developer. I am going to use the most popular example to define a full stack developer. Have you heard about a person called Leonardo da Vinci? Who is he? He was a painter, scientist, mathematician, cartographer, geologist, astronomer, historian, musician, etc. If this extraordinary man was a programmer today, he would be what we call a full stack developer. First, let's try to understand about a web application. What is a web application? A web application is a program that utilizes web browsers and web technologies to perform some task, which will happen over the internet. Okay, so let's take Facebook. Okay, whatever we are seeing in the Facebook screen is called as the user interface, or we'll be calling it as the presentation layer. The presentation layer is also known as the front end part of the website. So the website consists of two parts, front end and the back end. So the presentation layer or the user interface is called as the front end layer. Next, when we want to log in into the Facebook, what should we do? We have to enter our username and password, right? So it will validate whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, we will be directed to our Facebook page. This part is called as the business logic layer. So, business logic layer is the back-end part of the website and it is responsible for data validation and processing the content. So, data validation is a very important part of a website. Next, we used to upload our photos and videos in Facebook, right? Where does it get stored? It gets stored in database. So, the next layer is called as the database layer, which is responsible for storing data. So, a full stack developer is a web developer or engineer who works on both the front end and back end part of the application or website, meaning they can tackle projects that involves building user interface websites and databases. A full stack developer doesn't necessarily master of all technologies. However, the professional is expected to work on the front end as well as the back end part of the website, so that he can understand what is going on when developing an application. So he should have a genuine interest in all of the software technologies. So this is all about a full stack developer. All the best for you guys to become a full stack developer. Thank you.
Hey YouTube, how are you doing? Stay tuned to FacePrep for more awesome videos. Don't forget to subscribe.